Are you having difficulty getting your visa application because of vaccination requirements? Or do you have strong feelings against vaccination in general? Do you know that USCIS has waivers for the immigrant vaccination requirement? These include waiver for missing vaccination documentation, waiver if vaccine is not medically appropriate, and waiver due to religious belief or moral conviction. Hi, I'm Andre Major, immigration attorney and an immigrant myself. Although these are 3 waivers to the vaccination requirements, this tip of the week covers those concerning religious beliefs or moral convictions. So let's get right into it. Let's discuss the waiver due to religious belief or moral conviction. As the name suggests, USCIS may grant you this waiver if you can prove that your compliance with vaccination is contrary to your sincere religious or moral beliefs. When you're applying and mention you oppose vaccinations, the officer should inform you about this waiver. But what are the requirements? Well, you must be opposed to all vaccinations in any form. You also have to demonstrate that you would refuse all vaccinations, not just those that suit your needs. It's unfair to say yes to some and no to others. But if you have received vaccines before, you should explain the reasons for having received those in the past. For example, you may have developed moral or beliefs that are different since childhood, when your parents chose whether you got vaccines or not. Or your religious beliefs or moral convictions might have changed substantially since you had those vaccines. Your objection must be based on religious beliefs or moral convictions. I know this is a sensitive subject. Your religious beliefs should be balanced against the benefits to society as a whole. On the other hand, your opinion about vaccinations may offend other people's religious beliefs, but the officer will have to take into this account. So don't be scared. If you're still watching and have questions about any of these, please leave a comment below. Call or visit our website at undersmecherlaw.com. Now, on to the last requirement. Your religious belief or moral convictions must be sincere. To protect those beliefs held only in your conscience, you will need to show that you believe these deeply and in good faith. Your beliefs on vaccinations must be religiously or morally driven and cannot be framed as a legal remedy, such as to get this waiver. While you may attribute your opposition to a particular religious belief or moral conviction that is inherently opposed to vaccinations, the focus of the waiver ruling will be on whether your claimed belief or moral conviction is genuinely held and whether it is applied consistently in your life. Some things to consider. You do not need to be a member of a recognized religion or a specific house of worship. The requirement refers to religious beliefs or moral convictions, not religious or moral establishments. Of course, it could help if you align yourself with a religious or moral institution that happens to share that point of view. You have to show that you have a solid objection to vaccinations based on those religious beliefs or moral convictions, as opposed to a mere preference against vaccinations. There may be other evidence needed, such as you're going to need a sworn statement to apply for the waiver. You should state the nature of your religious beliefs or moral convictions in the statement. You should say how your beliefs would be violated if you comply with the vaccination requirements. You need information about the religious group you're a member of, if you are a member of a religious or moral group, and affidavits from those members in the congregation that you attend regularly would only help you. Some other evidence, well, maybe you do regular volunteer work, not a requirement, but it is a benefit. Remember, you need to show that you deserve the exemption as a matter of discretion. It is not automatic. So make sure that you show you're a good moral person who is deserving of this waiver. So there you have it. You can call us today if you want to discuss your case or need help on your citizenship application on your immigration journey, whether it is about getting a green card or applying for naturalization. We'll let you know if and how we can help. Remember, every case is different and we won't take your money if we can't help you. Please consider subscribing to the channel and checking out our other videos if you found this video helpful. If you learned a lot, feel free to like and share it. Until next time, stay healthy and be safe.